Hello everyone, you are welcome, you are warmly welcome to my channel, Comfy Science Tutorial. This is a channel for those of us who are beginners in science. If you are finding science so difficult, this is a channel you can subscribe to, and you get some of this topic easily treated and well understood. Welcome once more. In this video, I'll be discussing on classification of living things. We all know what living things is. This is a topic in biology that students most times find very difficult to understand. Living things, as we all know, they are the classification of living things. Living things are things that have life in them. Now, how are they classified? In spite that living things are things that have life in them, they have classification. What is this classification? It's placing living things into others, into groups that have certain features or characteristics in common. You can't place human being and lion to be in the same group. So the essence of this topic is for us to know how living things are being classified or placed into group that have the same features, have common features or characteristics with them. This system of classification of living things today is the one that is being introduced by a Swiss scientist called Carolus Linnaeus. He introduced this in the year 1707 to the year 1775. That was actually the time he has an initiation to place living things into groups where they belong, where their characteristics are being found. So this particular man formally classified living things into plants and animals, whereby you have animals being with features or characteristics in their own group, and the animals and plants also have their own classification. Then the biologists went further, discovering that there are plants that have no roots and they are not supposed to be under plant kingdom. So they went further, discussing other way living things can be fixed in order to merit their common features or that qualifies them in the group they belongs, which they further classify them into kingdom minora, kingdom fungi, kingdom protista, kingdom animalia, and kingdom plantae. With the help of this, then from this classification, the first classification is kingdom, followed by phylum. Phylum is for animal, while division is for plants. It went further to class. We have classes, we also have order, we have family, we have genus, we have species. This is how living things are being classified. So the arrangement of this hierarchy from the kingdom to the list of this classification is what the biologists called classification in living things. And we'll look at what actually is the basic unit of classification. The basic unit of classification in living things is the species. That is species classification, because that is the smallest unit that each particular living things can be found. It is called this list of its classification. Now, for instance, you have human being and animals. Animal like lions, both human being and animals are in the same kingdom. Then if you go down to phylum, they can belong to the same phylum. That is phylum, maybe animalia. Then you go down, you have under class. They are not in the same class. Animals is carnivora, while human beings are omnivora. If you go further to family, we have the family that animal belongs to. Phinadia, what? Homulidia, that is for human beings. Now, if you go further, you have Homo sapiens. That's why human being are referred to what? Homo sapiens. Why lions are called Lineopetra. So this is classification. Don't forget, if you find this very video interesting, share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel for other videos. Thank you.